Welcome back to CCY Edition. You know I love diving deep into the latest tech, and today we're talking about the tech that's changing the game faster than any other artificial intelligence. From healthcare to self-driving cars, AI is everywhere, and it's only getting smarter. We're going to break down the 10 biggest AI advancements that are shaping our world right now, as of October 2023. So, buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get into it. Let's talk about AI models, specifically large language models. Models like GPT-4 can write code, compose music, and more. They're now fine-tuned for specific industries. Imagine AI understanding medical jargon or financial regulations. This specialization is transforming professional fields. Speaking of healthcare, AI is poised to completely transform the way we diagnose and treat diseases. We're talking about AI algorithms that can detect cancer cells in scans earlier and more accurately than ever before. And it's not just about catching diseases early, it's about tailoring treatments to each individual patient. AI is powering personalized medicine, analyzing your genetic data and medical history to create custom treatment plans. But that's not all. AI is also accelerating drug discovery, helping researchers identify promising drug candidates in a fraction of the time it used to take. This means faster development of life-saving treatments. Now, let's talk about something that feels straight out of a sci-fi movie: self-driving cars. Autonomous vehicles are no longer a futuristic fantasy. They're cruising our streets right now. We're seeing major advancements in sensor technology, AI algorithms, and the overall safety of these vehicles. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Cruise are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, and it's only a matter of time before self-driving cars become the norm. But it's not just about cars. AI is powering autonomous systems in all sorts of industries, from warehouses and factories to delivery drones and even underwater exploration. The possibilities are pretty much endless. Chapter 4. The AI Watchdog: Ethics and Regulation in the Age of Intelligence. With AI tech comes a huge responsibility to ensure it's used ethically. There's a growing focus on AI governance and regulation. Establishing guidelines for data privacy and bias mitigation is crucial. AI is only as good as the data it's trained on. Biased data leads to biased AI. Ethics must be part of AI development from day one. AI should benefit everyone, not just a select few. Chapter 5. The AI Muse creativity gets a digital upgrade. Now let's get creative. AI isn't just for scientists, it's revolutionizing art, music, and literature. AI tools compose music, generate visuals, and write screenplays. Some artists hesitate, but others find them liberating. AI pushes creative boundaries, from 3D models to personalized soundtracks. It's a digital inspiration for the creative process. Chapter 6. Can you hear me now? NLP takes conversations to the next level. Remember those clunky chatbots from the early days of the internet? Yeah, those days are long gone. Thanks to advancements in natural language processing, or NLP, AI is understanding and responding to human language better than ever before. We're talking about chatbots that can hold natural, engaging conversations, virtual assistants that can understand complex commands, and even real-time translation tools that break down language barriers. This is huge for global communication, customer service, and pretty much any industry that relies on human interaction. Up next, let's talk about the edge. And no, I'm not talking about the latest smartphone design. Edge AI is all about bringing AI processing power directly to the devices we use every day. Think about it. Instead of sending data to the cloud for processing, imagine if your smartphone, your smartwatch, or even your refrigerator could analyze data and make decisions on the fly. That's the power of Edge AI. This shift towards decentralized processing means faster response times, increased privacy, and a whole new level of personalization in our devices. Chapter 8. AI for a Greener Tomorrow: Saving the Planet, One Algorithm at a Time. Now, Let's talk about something that affects us all, the environment. AI isn't just about making our lives easier. It's also being used to tackle some of the world's most pressing environmental challenges. We're talking about AI-powered systems that can monitor deforestation patterns, track endangered species, and optimize energy consumption in buildings. From predicting natural disasters to developing sustainable agriculture practices, AI is becoming an essential tool in the fight for a healthier planet. Chapter 9. Built for Brains, the hardware revolution powering the AI boom. All this incredible AI software needs some serious hardware to run on, and that's where things get really exciting. We're seeing a new generation of AI-specific hardware, like neuromorphic chips inspired by the human brain, that can process information exponentially faster than traditional chips. Then there are the GPUs, the workhorses of AI training, which are getting more powerful and efficient with every iteration. And let's not forget about the potential of quantum computing to supercharge AI algorithms, leading to breakthroughs in drug discovery, materials science, and countless other fields. Chapter 10. The Power of Teamwork. Humans and AI join forces. The future of AI is all about collaboration. AI systems augment human capabilities, not replace them. Experts from different fields develop powerful, beneficial AI. Humans and AI can solve complex problems and unlock new possibilities. Outro the future is now. Stay tuned for more AI awesomeness. So there you have it, 10 mind-blowing advancements in AI that are shaping the world as we know it. From self-driving cars to AI doctors, the future is looking pretty incredible. But this is just the beginning. AI is constantly evolving, learning, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. And I, for one, can't wait to see what the future holds. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to CCY Edition for more updates on the latest in AI technology. See you next time.